Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Builders and Engineers Limited. Structure of the group: Managing Director Muhammad Mahiuddin Moin, Board of Directors Muhammad Mahiuddin Moin, Rebecca Sultana Hena. Introduction. Builders and Engineers Limited (MBEL) is one of the leading and largest construction companies of Bangladesh. Mr. Muhammad Mahiuddin Moin initially established the company as Enterprise in 1989. The company converted into a limited company in the name of Builders and Engineers Limited (MBEL) in July 2002 with a group of professionals to execute infrastructure development works with the commitment of quality. Builders and Engineers Limited (MBEL) is now one of the renowned construction company in Bangladesh, having an experienced, dedicated and smart team. Builders and Engineers Limited (MBEL) is now capable to undertake and accomplish any kind of challenging construction work with full efficiency and quality. Under the able leadership and good governance of Muhammad Mahiuddin Moin has diversified his business to the different sectors: technical support staff surveyor 20, laboratory technician 30, construction vehicle driver 100, other support staff 500. Major financing banks: Dhaka Bank Limited, Prime Bank Limited, Shahjalal Islami Bank Limited, One Bank Limited, Bank Asia, National Credit and Commerce Bank Limited, Southeast Bank Limited. Annual construction turnover. Total annual volume of construction work performed in the last 5 years: 640 crore 89 lakh 22,770.22 taka or 6,408.92 million taka. Working sectors: Roads and Highways Department (RHD), Public Works Department (PWD), Local Government Engineering Department (LGED), Bangladesh Bridge Authority (BBA), Bangladesh Water Development Board (BWDB), Rajdhani Unnayan Kortripokho (Rajuk), MES Bangladesh Army, City Corporation (CC), Bangladesh Indian Water Transport Authority (BIWTA), Chittagong Port Authority (CPA), Paira Port Authority, Bangladesh Navy. Experience of the firm in the field of large construction. Previous experiences for the construction of any types of large or small jetty and related works. The construction of damaged RCC jetty at Guptachhara, Shonde. RCC jetty: general item, piling work, concrete work, fender, bollard, railing, expansion joint, site laboratory, survey, site clearance, establishment of facilities, lighting system and electrical works, generator house. Experiences in construction of pavement or similar works like construction of bridge, flyover, large RCC floor, etc. Paira 4-lane, construction of 4-lane Rajapara Paira Port connecting road, Paira Port Authority, Kolapara Putuakhali. Description of work: earth filling in embankment, sand compacted pile, dry lane concrete, pavement reinforced cement concrete, 630 grade using batching plant, 4-lane greater bridges, concrete drain, plantation and beautification and electrification, monument. Sheikh Jamal Setu, 482.375 meter, Hajipur Bridge. Construction of 482.375 meter long PC Greater Bridge, Hajipur Bridge at 61st kilometer of Patuakhali Kuakata Road under Patuakhali Road Division during the year 2010-2011. Major items: Board pile cast in place piles dia 750 mm and 1000 mm, greater length 48.80 meter, span 10, pile 157 numbers, pile length 46 meter. RCC drain work 1271 din meter, approximate concrete area 4900 square meter. Pile work executed by using concrete batching plant, rotary drill rig machine and normal rig machine by percussion methods. Sheikh Kamal Setu 891.76 meter Khepupara Bridge, construction of 891.76 meter 10 into 42.68 meter plus 9 into 48.8 meter long PC Greater Bridge at Khepupara under Road Division, Putokhali during the year 2009 to 2010, including protective work, approach and lighting. Major items: substructure comprising of abutment and pier overcast in Situ pile. Total number of piles 274 numbers, 750 mm dia, 209 numbers, length 37 meter and 1200 mm dia, 65 numbers, length 43 meter. Superstructure PC Greater, total greater 95 numbers, 42.68 meter length, 50 numbers and 48.8 meter length, 45 numbers. Bridge deck width 10.25 meter, protective works etc. Approximate concrete area 9100 square meter. Pile work executed by using concrete batching plant, rotary drill rig machine and normal rig machine by percussion methods. 560 meter Satla Bridge. Description of work: construction of 560 meter long PC pre-traced concrete greater bridge over Kocha River at CH 23,520 meter on Shanuhar, Dhamura, Shalta via Jolla Road. Earthworks, pavement works, foundation works, substructures work, superstructures work, PC pre-traced concrete greater bridge, incidentals. RCC side ditch, U-drain, main drain, bituminous track coat, premix bituminous carpeting. Sheikh Hasina Bridge, 630 meter PC girder bridge. Construction of 630 meter long PC girder bridge over the Meghna River on Norsingdi, Korimpur under Sodor Upazila, district Norsingdi. Major items: cast in situ pile, pipe work, PC girder bridge approach with culvert. Precast RCC pile for protective work. Approximate concrete area 6,600 square meter. Bulta Flyover. Construction of 1,238 meter long second level 4-lane flyover at Bulta at 25th kilometer of Dhaka Sylhet Road N2 and construction of 611 meter long first level new flyover at Dhaka Bypass Road. Major items: cast in situ pile dia 1000 meter, 370 numbers pile, total pile length 13,941 length meter. Drain work, footpath, electrical work etc. Approximate concrete area 25,000 square meter. Concrete batching plant, types and capacity of the works. 2 numbers wet beach concrete plant capacity of 60 cubic meter per hour and another 40 cubic meter per hour. Number of ready-mix concrete mixture tracks will be deployed for project site. Essential equipments required for the project works: excavator 2, vibratory roller 1, dump truck 3, play or wheel loader 4, truck crane 1, diesel hammer 1, total station 2, water tank truck 1, bulldozer 1, concrete batching plant 2, concrete mixture track 12, stationary, land concrete pump 1. Mobile concrete pump 1, concrete mixture machine with hopper 2, concrete vibrator 4, form vibrator 6, generator 3, Air compressor 2, electric rebar cutter 3, electric rebar bender 2, electric welding set 5, gas cutting and welding set 3, mud pump 2, surface finisher machine 3, HDEP pipe boot joint machine 2. Number of qualified engineers and other members will be deployed in the project site or experience of key personnel. General assessment for JV partners and combined capability to implement the works. Total methodology of the construction work for P11. General description. Construction of Pottinger Container Terminal PCT is one of the most important projects for the Chittagong Port Authority CPA under the Ministry of Shipping, Bangladesh. Construction of container yard and its supporting facilities of the above-mentioned work will be implemented by appointing contractor. In this connection, MM Builders and Engineers Limited is one of the leading construction company in Bangladesh. If MM Builders Limited will be selected as a contractor for the above-mentioned work, it will engage required equipment and qualified manpower to ensure the quality, safety and timely implementation of the work. Scope of work: high mast tower and lighting system, water supply and firefighting system, air drainage system, continuously reinforced concrete pavement CRCP. Construction of cable duct and pile foundation for high mast pole under yard electrification work. Laying pipeline for water supply and firefighting system. Construction of surface drain, manhole pits and drainage outlets under yard drainage system. Construction of brick flat soling. Construction of lean concrete CRCP work. Work procedure: mobilize required to equipment, material and manpower for first stage work within 7 days. Then start construction of precast pile for high mast tower foundation. For precast pile construction, it will take 10 days. After 30 days from the date of completion of construction, driving of precast pile will start and will finish within 7 days. Total precast pile construction, driving and its foundation will complete within 60 days. Manhole pits and pipe laying work for water supply and firefighting works will start simultaneously with above mentioned precast pile work and same days planned for completion. After that, compaction and leveling work will start on the pipe laying part. Then start the surface drain work. To complete the work within planned dates, necessary measures will be taken. After then, brick flat soling work will start and with mortar filling between caps of bricks. Lean concrete work will be start completion portion of brick flat soling area. Necessary steps will be taken on complete within planned times. After 7 days from the date of starting of lean concrete work, CRCP work will start. Within 90 days, CRCP will complete. Time required for construction, quick construction capability, work program. Construction quality assurance measures. Quality control measures. To ensure the quality of works, materials shall be tested in the project laboratory. The standards, methods and frequency of tests shall be followed as per the specification. The tests that cannot be conducted in the project laboratory shall be done in the BRTC, BUET, or in other recognized institution as directed by the engineer. If test results of any material found unsatisfactory, the same shall not be used. During construction, specified routine tests shall be done on completed works. Remedial measures shall be taken against any defective works to the satisfaction of the engineer or engineer's representative. Interaction with the engineer for testing and approval of materials. A responsible person or a senior engineer will inform the engineer or engineer's representative about the completion of any part of work along with test results and fix programs for testing. He will keep liaison with quality control representative of the engineer or engineer's representative and ensure that further work is done after previous layer is approved by the employer. Miscellaneous capabilities, health and safety measures, material purchase plan, etc. Health and safety measures. Health and safety on site will be involved the followings. A safe working environment will be maintained all through the construction work. Adequate safety both to the life and equipment will be secured. Safe drinking water, hygienic food will be provided. There will be provision of first aid and medicines. Site latrines and washing facilities will be provided for all staff and workers to maintain good working environment. In case of fatal injuries, special arrangement will be made. For minor injuries, treatment can be done by the contractor competent first aid. For severe injuries, the injured person shall be transferred to our designated hospital. Adequate safety of drinking water will be established. Insurance policy for all the workforces as well as the equipment will be covered as per condition of contract. Canteen facilities will be established to provide food for all. Adequate lighting will be arranged. We will provide use of safety clothing, helmets, boots and other for safety drinking water. Strong site discipline shall be maintained for all workers. Thanks for watching.